to Food Travel Shopping Channel and you're watching another unboxing here. Of course, my favorite brand, cookware, Staub. Look at this huge box. Can you guess what's inside this box? Feel free to comment below before I go ahead and unveil this particular piece. And also feel free to comment what color would this be. So, if you have not yet subscribed to our Food Travel Shopping channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now and hit the bell notification so you won't miss another episode of my Staub unboxing. And as well, check out my other video on restaurant remake and cook like the Youngs. Alright, without further ado, let's get started with the unboxing here. Okay, so this is, like I said, it's a huge box. I'm gonna open up this way here so then you can see it. Oh my goodness. This is a very, very large oval. So, wait for it. What's the color? Yes, it's my favorite color, the color, this is the La Mer. I just love this color. This is like my new favorite color. As I mentioned before, I have a 5.5 quart cocotte. If you have not yet watched that unboxing video, I will put it in the description box below. This is the 37 centimeter and 14.5 inches, the oval La Cocotte. All right, so let's take a look at what's inside the box. As usual, the instructions here, booklet, which is the user guide and how to take care of it. And if you want to watch a video in terms of how I usually prepare my first time use of every pot, I will put that in the description box below as well. Okay, so let's take a look at this here. This is an 8.5 quart, which is my largest by far. Maybe I will even get a larger one next time. This is the 8.5 La Cocotte. This is in the oval shape here, and the color, like I said, it's La Mer. So as usual, you can take a look at the inside here. All right, absolutely stunning. Okay, I just want to show you the inside here. This is 14.5 inches wide, and this is an 8.5 quart. The inside is absolutely spacious and stunning here. And let's take a look at the back. Don't forget to keep these brackets. Okay, so this is the bottom. Okay, I just absolutely love this color. It's stunning. If you also agree, go ahead and hit the like button below so then I know you really enjoy this color as well. Let me talk about the pricing here. This originally was marked for $629, and then usually at the sale price at Sonoma, you would probably find it at $439. Now, I did not get this at Sonoma. This is an exclusive color that you can purchase at Sonoma, but I was so lucky to find this piece, like my 5.5 quart, at the local swilling factory outlet. So the outlet price was $439. I got a discount. I end up paying $263.99. So this is $263.99. Now, of course, you have to pay tax, but I got a huge La Cocotte. This is massive, 8.5 quart, just massive. Let me just close the lid here for you and just take a look at a 360 of this pot. Well, I hope you enjoy another great video of my Staub unboxing. I will definitely be using this particular one, so you can see it in my upcoming video as well for what I will be using this for. So don't forget to subscribe to the Food Travel Shopping channel if you have not yet done so. Feel free to share this content with your friends and family for those who enjoy Staub as your primary cookware, which I absolutely love it. So thanks for watching and stay tuned for my next video and update.